What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape,
Ron.
Snape,
Ron.
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley. Dumbledore.
Snape,
Ron.
Snape,
Ron.
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron.
Hermione.
Ron.
Severus
Hermione.
Snape,
Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
Snape,
Harry Potter. Hermione.
Harry Potter,
Hermione.
Snape,
Harry Potter. Hermione. 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 Harry. Snape. 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 Harry.
Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Snape,
Hermione. I'm Hermione.
Dumbledore.
I'm Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
Snape,
Hermione. I'm Hermione.
Dumbledore.
I'm Hermione. Hermione.
Hey, it's Tim. Bet you're wondering why I'm in this car and it's all, rainy out. Thanks for watching my video. So I know the mysterious ticking noise is an extremely old video, yes I know, but hey, I didn't know what to do and I was like, hey, let's try it, and it was one of the easiest videos I had to do. Mardi Gras bead! So thanks for watching my video and tell your friends to subscribe, and you should go subscribe. Subscribe, please!